Hey everyone, I'm Srinivasan, software developer. We are looking into SQLite Database tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain about distinct. So, what is distinct? Distinct is nothing but it's a keyword which is used in all the SQL relational database queries. So not only in SQLite, so you can use this distinct keyword in um, all the other relational database queries, not only in SQLite. But here now we are looking into SQLite database tutorial. So for that, I'm going to explain the distinct in this SQLite database. So I have a simple table here, student marks, and we have some rows in the table. So you can see we have 18 rows actually, but we have only 3 students. Okay, and term and subjects are different, but we have only 3 students, so that's why we are getting but that's why we are having the name repeatedly. Okay, so the name column has duplicate values, right? So that's what it means. So now I want to get the student name now. So for that, I just mentioned the name of the column in the select statement from student marks table. If I execute, so we can see as usual we can get the name column values as result. So okay, we can get the all the 18 row, right? So now if I want to get if I want to ignore all the duplicate values, so I want to get the unique names only, right? So that is the only we have only 3 students, right? So for that we need to mention distinct keyword, distinct, right? If I execute, you can see, so we have a proper result. So we have a unique values, right? So we have 3 students in the table, right? So this is how you can get the unique values from the particular column which you want to get as a result, okay, by using distinct keyword. And we can also sorry so we can also do this in a different way, like we can also use group by to filter to remove all the duplicate values, right? Group by name. So if we execute, so as you can see, there is only 3 students and the duplicate values are ignored in the result, removed in the result, right? So this is how you can fetch unique values from the particular column even if the column has duplicate values, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, please subscribe and share and press the bell icon to get the future notifications. In the next video, I'll come up with a different topic of SQLite database tutorial. Bye.